Happy birthday, dear Andrea. Happy birthday to you. 21 with no kids. It's my birthday! It is officially my 21st birthday. That is so insanely crazy to say because I started my channel when I was like 13, 14 years old and now we're turning 21 together. Ooh, boyfriend's calling and I'm not ready. Hello?
Ready?
Did not ask me if I was ready or not because I haven't even started my makeup. It's my birthday, I don't care. Right now, I need to start getting ready because my boyfriend and I, we are going to go to the mall today to pick out my birthday present. I'm excited. I literally have been buying myself like everything and just have been very financially irresponsible. I just keep excusing it like birthday gift to myself, birthday gift to myself. And it's like, girl, I probably already spent like I bought myself these MEJ clips. That's what I'm gonna be getting ready with. Just very like Victoria's Secret, birthday girl energy. I'm like really taking my time on getting ready and like we're not doing anything super special, super crazy. But like my boyfriend has been ready since like 2 hours ago. But it's my birthday, I don't care. My boyfriend called me. I dodged his call. So I really don't know if he's planning on coming anytime soon. But honestly, quite frankly, that's just simply not my problem. Whenever I've told people that my birthday is on Valentine's Day, I get like one of two reactions. I either get like, oh my god, that's so cool, that's so cute, whatever. Or I get the, oh, like I would hate to like share my birthday with a bunch of other girls. And it's like, yeah, like all you other bitches are getting presents too, but it's like, it's not your birthday. God really ate with that one. The fact that he made today my birthday. Like he really did. Like it makes so much sense. And that's one of my favorite things about me. Let's speed it up and get ready fast. Ready now. Makeup is done. Look how cute my PJs are too. But I thought they were perfect for me to wake up on my birthday. Like they're so me. They're so Valentine's Day. Let me show you guys what I'm thinking outfit vibes. I'm pretty sure it's a little bit cold, so I'll probably take a jacket. I still want to look cutie. I still want to look perfect. I still want to look beautiful. So this is the vibe we're going for. These jeans that I do not take off. These are from Zara. They are on my Shop My. Then I have this top from Zara that I got during Christmas, or I got it for Christmas, I think. And then I'm just doing my little Chanel's that I got for my birthday last year. Birthday outfit transition. Look at how cute the outfit is. Honestly, today is not my best look. Like I do not feel my prettiest. Like absolute feel like I'm radiating 100% birthday energy. But honestly, I do not care. It's not gonna ruin my day. It's not gonna ruin my vibe. Okay, I am ready. I love my outfit. I feel like it is so cute and I still feel like cutie girl, but it's like simple for what I'm doing today. Love it. I feel so cutie. I feel so girl. What is this?
It's supposed to be a humongous card.
Look guys, he got me a little, ow, they're poking me.
Yeah, they're roses. You haven't gotten roses before?
I'm gonna read it.
Where should I put these?
Oh, that's so cute. Are you oh my god. You are just a man and I forget that sometimes. I really do. I look back and he's trying to put these roses in here. Literally, look at what you did. They were so pretty.
Close them good.
I am.
And put your hands out, but close them, close them, close them, close them, close them. Okay, open your eyes. What the fuck is this, right?
Wait, what is this?
It's a letter from 21 different people that love you.
Wait, what?
Your aunt.
My dear Claudia?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, that's so cute. Wait, that's been like... my makeup. This is what people mean that to be loved is to be seen. I love my boyfriend. I want to read this when I'm by myself in my room at night tonight.
Read them right now. That's why I gave it to you in the car. So
no, I'm going to bawl my eyes out.
Got it, guys.
Look at how spoiled I've been this year. This is by far my favorite present from my boyfriend. He did a whole book on letters of people who love me. And then obviously my first drink. I went to Vaughn's that I have illegally purchased alcohol. I don't even really want to drink today, but I feel like it had to happen. I should, baby, go to sleep. 21st birthday shop. It is 11 something right now. I am so overwhelmed. This was the most unchaotic birthday I've ever had. This has been the most boring birthday, but in reality it's been my funnest birthday. It's been my most peaceful birthday where I've been at peace with myself, with the people around me, with my life. This was an amazing birthday. Right now I'm going to sit on my bed and my night routine is going to read all 21 letters. I have not read one.
Ready for this birthday weekend.
4. They got me a little gift.
Those are so cute.
I'm crying.
Wait, let me show. So this is what you can add for sure. It's so cute.
Welcome to 21 and Happy birthday to you, dear Andrea. Happy birthday to you. How do we feel?
Hard. I thought it was gonna be a little cutesy class.
Shaking in my booth.
I give up like amazing. Hard.
That was actually a hard class. How did we feel?
I'm great.
Do you guys hate me? No? I was shaking in my booth.
Tired. Oh, my legs were shaking. So it's so Valentine's Day, like perfect.
It's so me. Okay, we just made it back from my Pilates class. Please turn the camera around, Sally.
No, I'm not getting you.
People got me some goodies, so I want to open them in front of all of you. Who's that from? My friend Casey. Oh my god, wait, this is actually so cute. It's a
The hair
wavy hair routine. This is from about $50 to Lululemon.
So what was
Lululemon. Fancy Beauty lip stuff.
Who's this from?
I don't know. These bitches didn't put their name.
I've always wanted to try the Kylie one.
My mom lets me have that.
Good for you. Oh, I love seeing this little thing in my bag. Oh, is this from Sophia?
Yeah, she said she got you a little prosecco bottle.
She's so cutie. Oh my god, Sophia, I love it.
Chocolate with wine was really good.
My mom also lets me have this.
This is from Danny. She got me a Lululemon thing and she stuck $20 to it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, guys, I feel so loved. Thank you so much.
Plus 9 plus 8.
Okay, my arms hurt.